Alright, today I'm going to do a rack and pinion boot for the 2005, 2006, 2007 on the Toyota, the front wheel drive. They are pretty much the same if you do the rack and pinion boot. Toyota, they carry very similar, same part, okay? I'm going to do the rack and pinion boot right. What you have to do is brake loop this right here first, okay? If I don't mark, then I have to take to alignment, okay? So I have to mark this to get a count, so I don't have to alignment this again. Okay, and this socket is 17. That's it. So let's do a counting to see how many count. Okay. Okay, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. So it's a 12 count. I'm gonna take these nuts out. Out. This is pretty bad. I found a lot of Sienna have this side, the passenger side is leaking, and mine is been leaked like this for the last 60,000 miles already. I'm going to take out the strap that tied down the old boot over here. Seeing that right there? So I'm going to put some loop in there to helping the ball joint. And this is the boot that I got from O'Reilly AutoZone. They have one, but it does not look like this. You have to cut it. So this one exactly fits, so you don't have to do any cutting. And just insert this in there. So you can put this metal strap to strap that. Okay, that's good enough. So on this side, what you have to do, just put a zip ties on it. If you still have the original clamp, you use the original clamp, but if you don't, zip tie is good already. Okay, that side too, if you don't have metal tie, you can use zip tie like this side, and that worked perfectly. Okay, cut it off. Now to put the lug nut. Okay, time to count back in. Okay, let's do a 12 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That is what I left off. Okay, So I'm gonna screw this one back up. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Bye bye now.